Hi, freshmen. I just wanted to give you some instructions for week 3 for the reading for Curious Incident and some assignments to go with it. I graded your week 2 discussions, and I was, I wouldn't say disappointed, but just a little bit. I think I needed to give you a little bit more direction on my expectations. That I didn't want you to just summarize the quote. I wanted you to provide some analysis. Summary's fine, but then to follow it up with more like how does this quote then show what his thoughts on death are, and what does it reveal about his character or how he views the world. Again, that's probably my fault. I probably should have given you more directions in even one of my posts. Or I should have made a post myself just to show you that. But I'm going to do that for this week so you have a little bit better understanding of what I'm expecting. So check your grades for that. I put them in the grade book today, which is Friday before week 3. All right, so if you are in the folder, okay, or in the remote learning folder, you'll go down to week 3 assignments, and the instructions are right here, but they'll be in the folder as well. First of all, you're going to be taking the quiz from the pages that you read last week in week 2, which would be pages 11 through 20 on the PDF. Check the reading schedule for the pages to read this week. I'll do that with you here in a second. And then there's just another discussion. And like I said, looking for a little bit more depth, a little bit more reflection when you make those discussion posts, because beyond the quiz and the reading, that's all you really have to do. So I want you to kind of give me a little bit better effort on that. You can also join me for office hours. If you want to talk about your grade, if you want to just say hi on Wednesdays from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock, I'll update the folder with the link so you can get in there. And yeah, we can just check in, and it's totally optional, and you could stay for 2 minutes or 5 minutes or however long you think you need to be in our live office hours, and we can connect that way. Okay. All right. So I would check the reading schedule if I were you. So I'll scroll up to the top here. Click on the reading schedule. We're going into week 3, the week of April 13th. All right, and so April 13th through the 17th, that means that you are reading pages 20 through 34. Quiz 2, like I said, is due, and then that online discussion. Okay, and so that's all in the folder, but it's the same on the reading schedule too, if you have some questions about that. Okay, don't forget on the quiz that you can take it 3 times. I grade it by the highest score. I never said that you couldn't use your book on the quiz. So, you know, don't settle for a 3 out of 10 or a 3 out of 9 when you can take it several times. And I don't mind if you use the PDF on the computer at the same time. It's not timed. I want you to do a good job so you guys can get your grades up as we kind of cruise into quarter 4 here. Okay, so I hate putting in 33% because they don't affect your grade negatively. It just seems like that would be kind of a waste of time for you. So do it right and take it as many times as you can and get the highest score. Okay, all right. I will be available if you want to reach out. And otherwise, good luck on this week, and I hope that you're really enjoying the book. Thanks.